Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Dazola Designs. Yes, 2 giveaways in a week. What's going on? I found something super beyond spectacular, you guys. Oh my God, I can't wait to share that with you. But yes, what am I wearing? You guys, I do crochet. And I do have crochet tutorials. And I do make stuff. I know I don't wear it. I don't know why, but that's gonna change. I do have my own tutorials, as you guys know, and I do have my own creations. And this is the Gathered Spikes Stitch Sweater. If you guys would like to check out this tutorial, I will link it up above. I'll also have all the links down below in the description box, or I don't even know, on the mobile phone, you guys. Maybe it's off to the side. I have to actually see where that is. But anyway, I made this tutorial, I think 2 or 3 years ago. Maybe you guys are watching this in the future. It's 2026 right now, but it is awesome. It's a little bit loose on me right now, but anyway, it's really, really cool. I made it using Ferris wheel yarn, you guys. Ferris wheel yarn. The colors on it is so cool. I think this one is called Evergreen. I believe that was the colorway. They still make it. I just checked. So beautiful. I haven't worn this in so long. I made the cap sleeves, you guys. I love it. It's so cool. This stitch also makes great scarves. It makes great blankets. One thing I will say though, if you guys do make this top, it does grow. So keep that in mind. I am holding it. I mean, this one is, if you like extra roomy stuff, it would make a great skirt actually too. Just keep that in mind. So as you crochet, it does grow. So maybe make it a little bit smaller. But I have lost a ton of weight too, so that comes into play. I'm babbling. Again, if you want to crochet this particular top, I do have the crochet tutorial for the entire top. So I have that stitch down, the tutorial down below. Plus, if you just want the stitch, I will link that tutorial up above right here. And then I will have that stitch also down below. Ferris wheel yarn. Excellent yarn. I need to do a tutorial, or maybe not a tutorial, but a yarn review on that yarn, because I've been using it quite a lot. That segues into this. I finally started the stitch tutorial, you guys. Is coming. It will be out probably this weekend. This is the beginning of the stitch tutorial. Believe it or not, I'm about halfway through. I've been doing that, so once I have the hang of it, it's obviously super easy. I just need to do it. But one thing with me, as you may or may not know, oh, and thank you so much to everyone new here. Welcome. This is Yarn Yap, by the way. I can't stop talking. Once I start talking, you guys, just settle in, because I can't stop. It's like this. It's like we're all here. You know, if you guys were with me here, even though I talk alone by myself, I just start talking like this. I don't even know once I start, I have no idea. What was I talking about? My hand. Anyway, to those who are new here, welcome. You guys, oh my God. Welcome, you guys. To those who are new here, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. And to those who have been here, thank you so much for sticking with me all these years and listening to my crazy ramblings. You guys have known about my hand issues. For those of you who are new here, maybe you don't know about my hand issues. I have severe tendonitis in my hand, and I really, really need to watch my hand. Basically, I've seen plastic surgeons, plenty of doctors. They all tell me, I've had shots. I've seen physical therapists. Everyone's like, hey, just stop and let it rest. Everyone tells me, like, you know, yesterday I actually crocheted for 2 hours, which is a very long time for me. And then when my hand starts hurting, I just have to stop. So like today, I have to take it easy. Tomorrow I could crochet again. That is how I have to crochet now, you guys. I can't just sit and crochet for 24 hours. Excuse me, I can't do it anymore. So that is how I crochet, and that's just how it is. So just bear with me. The tutorials will happen when they happen, and I will get them to you. I promise. They're on their way. And speaking of which, you guys help me decide with this. This is going to be after the mermaid stitch is coming. The next one will be this Adorable Houseplants 2 crochet. The first one I am going to do is this ivy, because that will be the easiest one, and I am going to use the Lion Brand 24/7 cotton yarn. Thank you so much for helping me decide. I do ask my audience what they want and what they like. I'm going to start with that, and then I'm going to do the mother's tongue, mother-in-law tongue, whatever that one's called. The reason why they do not make the DMC Natura yarn anymore, that is discontinued. And as much as I love paint box yarn, how am I going to put this? People in America do not like to pay shipping charges. And Webs, Webs is America's yarn store. It's based in Massachusetts. They do sell paint box yarn, but it is hit and miss when they are fully stocked. Like right now they are fully stocked, and then they don't get fully stocked. So it's just hit and miss. The Lion Brand 24/7 yarn is readily always available. You can get it at Michael's using your 30% off coupon, or you can always get it on Amazon. There you go. And that will be the next tutorial after the mermaid stitch, which doesn't look like much now, you guys, but it will be something. You better believe it. Let's get to the giveaway. You guys, this giveaway is something else. I went, for those of you who don't know, I went in my yarn rooms. I should have it in front of me too. I have my yarn room, and I have a closet in my yarn room. And last week I was searching for something in the closet in my yarn room, and then I found an old whip of mine, which that's another thing I'm going to get out. And you guys, it was the granny square, and then you gave me, a lot of you gave me a great idea, is just to get an old, not an old, but a tote bag, a black one, and then make the granny, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, I have granny squares that I was going to make a tote bag with, but I remember I had to put a liner in, and I kind of set it aside because I was like, okay, I gotta go get fabric. I was gonna get cotton fabric, and then I had to somehow sew a liner into this granny square tote bag that I was doing. And I'm like, how am I going to do that? So, and then I had health issues pop up and it just wasn't going to happen. So I just kind of set it aside. And that was years ago. So then I completely forgot about it. I was in the closet in my yarn room and then I saw it and I'm like, oh my God, this is so beautiful. So a couple days ago, you guys said, oh my God, just go get one of those recyclable or, you know, the bags that you find at the grocery store. Just get a black one. Duh. So I'm going to find a black one. I'll get one on Amazon or whatever and just use that as a liner. Super easy. Thank you so much for that suggestion. Where would I be without you guys? Thank you so, so much. That's so awesome. Now I just have to find one that fits. If I can't find one that fits, I can easily deconstruct the granny squares that I've already put together and just do it around the new liner or whatever. I'll figure it out. But thank you guys so much for the suggestions. You guys are so, so awesome. That's why we all work together, right? Thank you so, so much. Let's get to this giveaway. I've talked too much. Anyway. What I was going to segue into all this, you guys, my brain is the closet. As I was looking in the closet, I found this bag tucked away in the corner. And this yarn was just sitting on top of there. And I'm like, what is that? Let me show you the bag. Remember this store? I do, and I miss it every day, all the time. I actually drive by it. There's one in Cupertino, and it is so sad, you guys. This yarn is so, if you guys can see the table in front of me, it's so super beautiful. Oh my God, the colors of this yarn. Yes, when I used to shop at Joann's, I used to buy the whole colorway, like 6 or 7 skeins of each. That is how I used to shop at Joann's because the prices were so awesome. They were like $2, $3 a skein. So I just used to buy and buy and buy and buy. That's how I used to buy yarn. That's why I have a whole closet full. Let's get to this giveaway. I have to stop talking. Let me tell you about the yarn. The yarn is Big Twist yarn, you guys. I love Big Twist yarn. Each skein, 269 yards of fun. I have glasses today, by the way. 4-weight 5mm hook. This color is called Pink Ombre. Super, super gorgeous. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins of the Pink Ombre. Gorge, gorge, gorge. This color is fantastic. Look at this. This color is called Retro Pop. I think I have 3 skeins of this one. This is like orange and pinks and bubblegum and blues. Super, super, super pretty retro pop. This one, wow. This is called Happy Rainbow. Happy rainbow, happy rainbow. I have 2 of those. This one is super pretty, blue ombre. Blue ombre. Oops, one just fell. I have 2 of those. Did I do this one? This is gorgeous. This is Warm Brights. This looks like orange sherbet. Pink and yellows and oranges and white. I have two of these. I know I have another one in my shelves. Did I do this one? I'm losing count. Aqua Ombre. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 of these. Gorgeous. And I think that's it. Did I do this one? Blue Ombre. I have 3 of those. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is please, please, please. Oh my God. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you're not gonna be entered to win. I'm gonna try and put all this yarn in my arms. And then what do you have to do to win? All you have to do, you guys, is tell me what 6 of these do you want? You can pick any 6 you want. Any 6 skeins. Any 6 skeins. Any color combination you want. Look at that. 6. Pick 6. What do you want? Pick them. Did I get the pink? Look at this. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. This is how I give back to my crochet community. I hope you guys are appreciating this. Tell a friend. Tell all your friends, please. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really, really appreciate you. I hope you all are taking care of each other. I hope you all are being nice to each other. I know it's a really, really tough time out there, but I hope, you know, let's all take care of each other during this crazy time, okay? Thank you so, so much for watching. Let me know down below which colors you want. Please name the colors too, so I know you're watching this. Thank you guys so, so much for watching, and I hope everyone is having a super, super awesome day, you guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.